Did you know that in LiveIn widget, you can actually receive photos not just from one person, but from multiple people? So here is the app. You've probably already seen it. So you can add the photos here and send it to your friends. But there is like a widget setting. If you go to settings, where you can select that you want to receive photos from like a lot of users. And if you try to install the widget, like in Locket widget, this is another app, there is only like a possibility to receive photos from like one person, or not one person, but just like one photo at a time. Here you can add multiple users, so you can add 3 and 4 users, so you can just add that, and then you will see that there are basically 4 photos here which you can be displayed in real time. And this is basically like widget Instagram app where you can see all these photos in real time updating. So that's actually pretty fun. So yeah, you can definitely give it a try.